What's the meaning of Alfred the Great? Alfred the Great. Alfred the Great. Alfred the Great. Alfred the Great. Alfred the Great.
Alfred the Great was a king of Wessex from 871 to 899 AD. He is known for his military victories against the Viking invaders and his efforts to unite the kingdoms of England. In addition to his military prowess, he was also a patron of learning and literacy, commissioning translations of Latin works into Anglo-Saxon and promoting education among his people. Alfred is considered a pivotal figure in English history for his contributions to the development of a unified English identity and the preservation of Anglo-Saxon culture during a time of great upheaval.